Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with support and resistance. So today is another new video on how to trade with support and resistance. So before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here market has break this level. You see rejection. You see rejection, but momentum. But I will place call option because you can see rejection strongly, and this level is very strong area. So I know at least market will retrace for one candle from this level. So that's why I place my trade call option. So you see buyer's entry. But today we have to be very careful because of the low volume market. You know, today is holidays. So we have to be careful. So you see, this is winning trade. So let's check another one. Here you see level, trend line. You see market rejected from the level, rejection, and here as well. Red put option. So I'll wait for market to close here inside this level, then I place my trade. So this one, so now market is coming to my level. If market come to this level, I'll place my trade call option. So I'll place my trade call option. So market is almost at the level here. If market close inside this level, I will place my trade call option. Market has rejected. Maybe this is the level here. No, it's no problem. Market has reversed already. So here market is in my level. Market has break the level. You know, if you have low volume market, before market reach the level, it can reverse, so you have to be careful. Low volume market, so this is another level. This market is at this level. See rejection. The market is trying to break the level. You see, market has break the level, no problem. It may create fake breakout, but I will not trade. This level is another area, but momentum today is very difficult to trade because of the situation, so you have to be very careful. You cannot trade quickly today because of the situation, you know. Here, this is the level here. You see, market is breaking the level. But this is another level. Let me delete this area. It's another strong area here. I know market will reverse from this level and here as well, but market create new high. This level is another strong area, but market create new high at this level. So maybe market is trying to break the level. Let's see, new high, and this is summer, so market maybe may break this level, so no problem. Still, if market close at this level, I can place trade. Yes, you see momentum, so that's why I didn't take my trade. So maybe if market close here now, I can place my trade. Oh, still market didn't reach this level, so I'll still wait. So market has lost momentum. This level is strong area. This market has lost momentum. If market close at this level, I can place my trade. Yeah, let's see here, market has closed at this area, but I'm late. I would have taken my trade here. Very nice area, you see. Okay, no, market is not yet reached the level. This is the level. Market is reversing far from the level, so but here you see. So a low volume market, sometimes market before it reaches the level, it will just reverse. You see here, market is supposed to reach this level, then reverse, but it didn't reach the level. It just reversed. So in this situation, you have to be careful, because you may lose trade. Here, this is a trend line. Let's put option here because of this trend line. Market close at this trend line, so now definitely sellers must enter, because I can see rejection on this trend line. So in this situation, you see how it took me a long time to get opportunity. So in this type of situation, you have to exercise patience, because market is low volume, so you cannot get before market reach level, it will reverse. You see here, before market reach this level, reverse. I wanted to trade here before market reach the level, reverse, but here you see I get a good opportunity here. So anytime you are trading low volume market, you have to be very, very careful, and you have to exercise patience to get opportunity. You see, winning trade. So I will take one more trade because it's very difficult. I will take one more trade. Let me check here, but here I'm not sure. I'm not trusting this area. So strong area. So here is the strongest area. Yes, this area, if market come to this level, if there is no momentum, I'll take my trade here. If market come without momentum, if market come with momentum, I will not take trade. So let's check another one. Here. So here is another strong level here. This area, if market reaches area again, I will take my trade. Yes, this area I will take trade. But here market is reversing. So here is another area. If market reaches level, I will place my trade put option. So I have 3 areas now. This area as well. Here. This area is another nice area. So if market come to this area or this area, I will place trade. Or here, or this area. So I will wait now. Let me see this trend line. So maybe here, yes, I will get opportunity here. If this candle reach this level, I can place put option to market. Yes, if I get, yes, wow, bad entry, but no problem. I know market will create strong candle at this level. Market must create strong candle at this level. So that's why I place my trade put option, so I know definitely it will give me winning trade, even though it gives me bad entry point, no problem, because this level is very strong area, it will create strong candle. So that's why I place my trade put option. You see strong sellers entry because of low volume, so you have to be very careful. Market will be moving like this. You see I placed my trade here and it brought me down here, but no problem. You see I took my 3 trades with careful, with support and resistance, with strong support and resistance only, because of the low volume today. You know it's holidays, so but still I try and I check very nice 3 trades with careful, with support and resistance. So here first of my trade, let me explain. Here you can see market movement. It's like this. After break, market come down again to this level. You see strong bias. You see this level is very, very strong one, so that's why I place my trade with margin of safety. You see, and the major trend is uptrend. You can see the alignment of the EMAs all are pointing up, so that market is in uptrend. Then here this is ranging market. You can see why it's ranging market. You can see EMA are almost all flat. You see 200 is flat completely, so that's why here I wanted to take my trade here, I couldn't, but here when I see this rejection from this level, I know this level is strong. Trend line, I draw my trend line, so that's why I place my trade put option in the direction of minor trend after retracement, in the direction of the trend. So here you see market strongly come down. You see market go up. So when I see this candle, you see this candle is higher, lower, then when this candle close at this level, so I know it will reverse. You see here low again, the trend line strongly. So because of the ranging market, so that's why I place my trade put option. So then the last trade here, you see I use this trend line as well in the direction of major trend. Here you see market momentum. You see the momentum. You see down, down. So in this situation, you see this trend line strongly down, then here market reverse strongly, and here you can see bias, then weak sellers, then bias, then weak bias. So when this candle close exactly at this level with rejection, so I know definitely sellers will enter. So but I try to enter at this level because of the low volume. Market brought me down, but still I know it will create strong candle. As you can see here, there is strong candle here, so you should expect strong candle. You see strong candle, so in the opposite direction you should expect strong candle. If this candle, the opposite candle is weak, so I will lose this trade. So anytime try to watch the opposite side before you take your trade. Try to see your left side. So this is the end of this video. You can see I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade. If you like my video, please like it. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.